Hi, this is Jamie for Gearbest. This is the first time for me. I'm actually doing a product review outside. As you might see earlier before my introduction, I actually tried this one, the electric skateboard myself. I'm not really good at it, and it's not my best day because I'm wearing a skirt actually. So before we actually get into the product itself, I would highly suggest that for girls, do not wear a dress or skirts or any kind of forms or even shorts. Please don't do that. And also please do wear protection because I did get a little hurt earlier. So let's get into details. This very new electronic skateboard. As I've already got into the details about how I felt about this very specific piece of art, piece of technology, let's get into specs. This one has 11,000 milliamps of battery. It's a very big battery capacity, sounds it, but the actual milliliter it actually supports is 20 kilometers without needing to charge. And this one supports remote control that can be controlled by yourself or your friends, which I really don't suggest because my cameraman actually tried it earlier for me and I failed again. So please do keep a hold on your remote control. Do not let anybody else get a hold on that. So given the look, how raw and how, countryside it looks, this one is actually a very, very powerful skateboard. If you remove the tire, the battery attached to the tire, which is at the back, and also the supporting unit, it's a regular skateboard. It's a very cool raw look of skateboard as those regular young kids would use. That's great. But itself, it's supposed to be used electronically. It's a very high technology kind of skateboard. It's extremely fascinating. As powerful as it is, the actual stats of it, it actually goes up to 38 kilometers an hour. It might sound a little bit slow if you compare it to an automobile, but given this is actually a skateboard and given that your entire body will be extremely exposed outside like a motorcycle, you do need to wear protection. Once again, do wear protection because this one goes really fast. And also, this one actually allows you to ascend to up to 25 degrees. So any kind of mild a little bumpy thing, a little bumpy road on concrete road, it's definitely not an issue. It's fluid, and also with its really big tire, which is 8-inch by the way, and it's really nice soft rubber wheel material, it actually provides an extremely good experience when it comes to stroke absorption. And finally, last but not the least, you might not be able to see very closely from the angle that I am right now, but this one actually has extra screwdriver holes that allows you for customization. Say, if you want to put a GoPro here to take a shot of how good you are, or in my case, how terrible I am, or if you want to put a handle, which I would really need for your hand if you're terrible in balance, or if you want to put something else to customize it, make it look more like yours, that's definitely okay. So that's pretty much it for today's electronic skateboard. Cool kids use them. I am not very cool. I'm not really good at this, but I love this. This is fascinating. It's definitely practical. So this is Jamie. Please stay with us for the next interesting video. Thank you for watching.